In Mamelodi, a night of fun turned into a nightmare when jealousy, love, and rage ended in bloodshed. Survivor Desmond Senong says he was dancing with his cousins Tiamo and Valeseng Muramaga at Small Konka Shisanyama when Tiamo's boyfriend Tebogo Mnisi started watching them angrily. Later that night, around 2:30 a.m., Mnisi pulled up in his car. Gun in hand, he opened fire. Desmond was shot in his private area. Tiamo tried to stop him, but Mnisi kept shooting. Both cousins died on the scene. Desmond survived, but lost a testicle and fear he may never have more children. The 38-year-old suspect has been arrested and charged with 2 counts of murder and attempted murder. Desmond says, "The pain was unbearable, but I am grateful to be alive." Condolences to the family and friends during this difficult time.